Hello guys, we have seen a lot of things about IPO and we have seen that investors use the company itself. They look for its financials, competitors, and if there is a way to promote this company. But for traders, what is the thing they use in order to buy an IPO or a stock? Okay, so we go to the chart and I give you some hints. Okay, as you can see, this is a chart. You see here, if you can see the this gap up here that I click, there is lines here. So the stock, for example, was $35 on the 9th of October 2017. Just like 2 months ago. Okay, the stock was 35. The next day is 70. Okay, it's a big deal. From 35 to 70, the stock has doubled its money. Now, why do you think this stock doubled its money? It's just because, either because of the earnings or because this, it looks like it's a pharmacy company. It means maybe the government has approved a medicine or a way to cure something. Now, when the government approves such things, these companies, a lot of traders, they come and they buy after the market close or before the market close. Because you can see here, it's before the market opens. It opens at $53, but still, because this bubble, because of this news, because a lot of people, a lot of traders, they come, from 53 it goes to 70. And before it was only 35. So from 35 to 50 is the news itself. But the bubble in the next day makes the stock soar and goes so high from 53 to 70. Okay? Now this is a kind of news that some traders are looking for. Okay? But understand that when you are looking for, let's say this stock is going up. It was here, let's say 114. Here it is 149. How do you know to enter? No, most of the people, I just use lines like this, okay? I'm not saying anything, just lines. Okay, I just put lines. Okay, now these lines, or other lines, I'm just making lines here just to see that traders, they use lines as what we call resistance line and support line. These lines they use in the chart, it gives them the opportunity to buy on time. And this is what I teach. Okay, this is what I teach. It means I teach how to enter and how to exit the trade on time. Sometimes I have trades that are like 5 months and 2 months. This is my last live trade that I put in my subscription. And by video, each week I make a video and I follow the stock. You will see that sometimes you can get an excellent stock, either an IPO or it's not an IPO. But it is the same techniques used for every stock, because whenever we have a history, whenever we have some candlesticks, you can begin using these lines. So these lines, it's not you find these techniques like this, you find them online for free. People who don't trade, they don't know how to use them, and they don't know the other criteria that I use in order to do this. Okay, so when you see like this, so this is, for example, a support line here. In order to buy, it is so difficult. It's not easy. You should have the courage to buy where everybody don't want to buy. Okay, and if you succeed, you can make a lot of money. The problem is that most of the people, they want a sure thing. It means they want just to buy and they make money. But this is not true in the market. You should have techniques, you should have criteria, and then whenever you succeed, you will make money. Now, I don't say that you use all these lines. You don't need all these lines. You need only one. Okay? Let's say you need only one line. Let's say this is the first line that you bought the stock in, which is support line. Okay? And you succeed, that's it. Okay? But this is difficult. It's not easy. But the resistance line on the top when the stock is going up, it's easier than this one. Because this happens only once in the whole 6 months or 7 months. But you can buy the stock at any price you like. And these are called resistance lines. Okay? So there are a lot of charts, and stocks are not the same. So you should have the ability to deal with all stocks. I have criteria and techniques to deal with any stock. If it trends, you can make money, and that's it. Okay? So thank you very much for watching for all these videos about the IPOs. Some people like them, but understand that always there is a risk to lose money. So always, because of us, we are short-term traders or swing traders. We follow the trend, so we always use stop loss. We don't want to stay in a stock that it is a loser. Now, if you are, for example, you are an investor, it's different. An investor, you risk more than a short-term trader. Because let's say the stock that you bought is making some money, and then it is heading down. Okay? You begin to stay there and to see the financials of the company, if it is good. If it is good, maybe you stay more and more, and the stock is still going down. So understand that it doesn't mean that when a company is good, it means that the stock will go up. Okay, mutual fund, they can sell your company shares and it can go down, although your company is good. So you should have some techniques to assess your investment and to see if you can stay more or you exit this investment. And a lot of people, they insist and they stay. Some they succeed because the company goes back and the prices comes back and it's very good. But there are some days where the company will never go back to its previous prices, and the company is going down until we find at the end that it is not making any much money, and then the investors will sell, and then this company, it might be going to bankruptcy. Okay, so try to understand that this, when you put a lot of money in a company, try to follow your investments. But for us, it's very easy. We don't see the company information because we exit early. If I buy today, tomorrow it is not good, and it will touch or trigger my stop loss. I exit this trade. I don't stay. Okay, so I don't risk that much. But if you put 20,000 or 50,000, 100,000, and the stock is going down for 1 month or 2 or 3, and then it doesn't go up, excuse me, you will be losing a lot of money. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have some questions, please ask, send me an email. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the other video. Thank you very much.